Welcome to Technoland Expart, a complete tourism-based website named Tourist, Explore the World, structured with a combination of semantic HTML5 tags, CSS styling, and JavaScript functionality to create a responsive, interactive, and visually appealing travel agency website that promotes destinations, tours, and travel-related content. The document begins with a standard, doc-type HTML declaration, setting up the HTML structure with language attribute lang equals n, and inside the head section it includes meta tags for character encoding, compatibility, and viewport responsiveness to ensure proper rendering across devices. Alongside a title, favicon link favicon.svg, and an external CSS style sheet /assets/css/style.css that defines the overall layout, typography, and color scheme. Additionally, it pre-connects to Google Fonts and imports font families such as Abril Fatface, Comforter Brush, and Hebo to enhance typographic aesthetics, creating a clean and modern feel. Within the body section, the content is wrapped in logical containers, starting with a header element that serves as the top navigation bar. Featuring the website's logo Tourist, a hamburger toggle button for mobile view controlled by JavaScript through the data nav toggle btn attribute, and a navigation bar nav class equals navbar. Containing a list of navigation links like Home, About Us, Tours, Destinations, Blog, and Contact Us, as well as a prominent Booking Now button styled as a call to action encouraging immediate engagement. The header likely has dynamic behavior such as changing style on scroll or collapsing on mobile, controlled through the JavaScript file script.js, moving into the main section. The website's content is divided into several themed sections, each dedicated to a specific purpose. The first major section is the Hero section, designed as the visual introduction to the website with a background composed of layered images HeroBGTop.png, HeroBGBottom.png, and decorative shapes Shape1.png, Shape2.png, Shape3.png positioned strategically for visual depth, containing textual content including a subtitle Explore Your Travel, a main heading Trusted Travel Agency, a motivational paragraph encouraging exploration, and two interactive buttons Contact Us and Learn More, all paired with a hero image HeroBanner.png to convey the spirit of adventure and travel. Next is the Destination section, introduced by a subtitle Destinations and a title Choose Your Place, followed by an unordered list of destination cards, each consisting of a figure with a destination image. Maldives, Thailand, Malaysia, Nepal, Indonesia, and captions describing the city and country, all enclosed within anchor tags to make them clickable links to specific travel packages or pages, with responsive layout achieved through width classes like W50, following that is the popular tour section. A comprehensive layout divided into multiple columns for easy navigation. Top destination lists key travel spots like Indonesia, Maldives, Australia, Thailand, and Morocco, providing quick links. Categories lists types of content or travel niches like travel, lifestyle, fashion, education, and food and drink. Quick links include essential internal links such as about, contact, tours, booking, and terms and conditions, and a newsletter sign-up form invites visitors to subscribe for travel deals and updates by entering an email address, reinforcing engagement and marketing retention strategies. The footer bottom portion contains the Tourist logo, copyright information crediting Code with Sadi as the original developer, and a list of social media icons using Ion Icons for modern, scalable vector graphics, offering connectivity to external platforms. There is also a back-to-top button represented by an Ion icon chevron, which when clicked scrolls the page smoothly to the top, improving user navigation and convenience. and it uses a data_go_top attribute likely managed by JavaScript to appear dynamically as the user scrolls down. The script imports at the end include the local script.js file, which likely handles interactivity such as the navbar toggle, scroll-based animations, go-top button visibility, and possibly smooth scrolling or sticky header behavior, as well as two Ion icons script imports, one for module browsers and one for non-module browsers, ensuring full icon functionality across all environments. Overall, the functionalities of this website include a fully responsive navigation system optimized for desktop and mobile, dynamic header and footer systems providing easy access to all major pages, an engaging hero area that serves as the entry point for branding and user attraction, multiple visually consistent content sections each dedicated to highlighting key business aspects, destinations, tours, services, blog content, and an interactive contact/newsletter system designed to convert casual visitors into leads. It uses semantic HTML tags like to enhance accessibility and SEO, while employing external styles and scripts to handle layout, animations, transitions, and user interface interactivity. The code structure is modular, allowing easy updates or additions to destinations, tours, and blog posts by replicating existing card elements. The presence of Ion icons enriches the visual feedback and provides intuitive UI cues. JavaScript likely enhances user experience by enabling interactive navigation menus, dynamic back-to-top button behavior, and potentially lazy loading of images to optimize performance. The use of loading equals lazy on images reduces initial load time by deferring image loading until they appear in the viewport, improving site efficiency. CSS presumably governs the grid layouts, media queries, color themes, hover effects, and responsive design elements that adapt to various screen sizes, making it user-friendly and readable for assistive technologies. In essence, the Terraist website functions as a modern, elegant travel agency interface that combines visual storytelling, informative content, and clear user pathways for exploration and booking, targeting tourists and travel enthusiasts by showcasing beautiful destinations, popular tours, company values, and inspiring articles, all wrapped in a cohesive digital experience that aligns branding, design, and usability into a single, fluid platform designed to attract, inform, and convert visitors into customers while maintaining high performance and accessibility across devices. Thanks for watching. I hope you have already followed our channel.